Welcome to the Torch Academy. Today we're covering the last 30 days before closing, the final sprint to get the deal done. The last 30 days is intense. You're tying up loose ends, getting regulatory approvals, and preparing for the actual moment of transfer. Stay focused. Most deals close without drama if you've done the groundwork. But anything can go wrong in these final days, so stay alert. This is where most deals die. A small unresolved issue becomes a bigger problem. You're responding to the buyer's final requests. Be responsive. You want to close. If there's a problem, work on it. Don't ignore it and hope it goes away. Some approvals take time. The landlord might drag feet on the assignment. The SBA might ask more questions. That's normal. Push gently, but don't panic. Deals close even when timelines slip. The key is staying on top of every item and escalating anything that's blocked. Most of these documents come from standardized templates. You can draft them yourself with online closing tools, or if you choose to use an attorney to handle the drafts, they'll do it for you. Either way, your job is reviewing everything for accuracy. Make sure your name is spelled right. Make sure the effective date is correct. Make sure the asset descriptions match reality. Small errors create big problems. Read everything carefully. This is your final quality control. You're confirming wire instructions. Critical, many deals are derailed by wrong bank account numbers. You're getting debt payoff amounts. You're making sure everyone knows their role on closing day. Do a final walkthrough of the business. Are the assets in the condition you promised? If something changed significantly, flag it. The last items on the checklist are about catching anything that's shifted since LOI. Walk the premises, equipment, inventory, property condition, and make sure reality still matches what the buyer expects. Review Schedule B for anything that needs disclosing before you sign. And confirm exactly who is signing what on closing day and in what order. Small things here can cause big delays, so handle them before you're in the room. Wire fraud is real. Closing delays are expensive. That's why you confirm wire instructions with both parties. That's why you get payoff letters in writing from lenders. That's why you do a final walkthrough. These small confirmations prevent big problems. You can't prevent everything, but you can prepare. If the SBA lender adds conditions, work with them. If a customer leaves, assess the damage. If an employee issue arises, address it. If the buyer gets cold feet, remind them they've signed an LOI and are committed. Most issues resolve. Stay calm and focus on solutions. Closing day is emotional and anticlimactic at the same time. You've worked toward this moment for months. Then you sit down, sign your name 20 times, and suddenly it's done. The buyer owns your business. You're walking away, at least for now if you have a transition period. Stay calm. It's supposed to happen this way. Once funds are distributed, the physical and operational handover kicks in. Attorney sends debt payoffs and the net proceeds to you, keys and passwords change hands, and if real estate is part of the deal, the title company records the deed. When you stand up, the business legally belongs to someone else. The day after closing, you need to shift gears. If you're staying for a transition period, you have a different role. You're not the owner anymore. You're the advisor. If you're walking away, take some time to process. And please meet with your wealth advisor about the money before you spend it or make impulsive decisions. Once the immediate money and handover tasks are done, turn to the relationships. Let vendors and the landlord know ownership has changed, so billing and communication shift to the new owner. Meeting with a wealth advisor early helps you avoid impulsive moves with the proceeds. And then, take a moment. You just sold a business. Closing day is in sight. Prepare now so when it arrives, you're ready. Coordinate with your team, attorney, and the buyer. Move fast. Address issues as they come up. Before you know it, closing day will be here and the deed will be done. The key takeaway: the final sprint to closing is where deals are most fragile. Last-minute issues, lender delays, and cold feet are all common. Stay calm, stay organized, and lean on your deal team. The sellers who close successfully are the ones who treat these last 30 days with the same discipline they brought to the entire process. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, head over to torchapp.io/signup and create your free account. Torch uses AI to help you navigate buying or selling a small business. Whether you're just exploring or ready to make a move, we can help. And don't forget to subscribe for more episodes from the Torch Academy.